Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Vserv Ki Pathshala, where we deal into education which is meaningful, and we are always with those who have got job. They are working in corporate environment, but their environment is not that conducive. They want high energy people to be working towards a common goal, which is a vision or mission of the company. But challenges are there when staff come in an organization. They are from various different backgrounds, they have different cultures. They opted some or the other stream to complete their education, they got the job, but when it comes to purposefully drive the organization, it requires a different energy. So I am conducting various workshops in very many organizations with the name of Envisioning Together. I welcome you, I ask you, I request you, you go through some of the details. If you want to discuss with me personally how to make your team a motivated team which drive and chase big dreams. So we have corporate programs under the category of behavioral science, and it can transform your organization. With a little investment, if you give a small gift of training to your organizational people, the team, definitely that can bring big results. So do write to me personally, meet me, call me, go through my social handles, go through my LinkedIn, and understand which kind of program, which kind of a 4-hour, 6-hour workshop can make you robust to face the challenges of 2025. Wish you a very happy new year ahead and Merry Christmas.